I want to show you something I kind of come across from an old guy that I met on the ice. You know, you always got a hook hanging here, whether it's a treble hook or just a jig, and it gets snagged on things. It gets pulled off. It's all over the place, and it was always kind of a struggle to figure out what to do with that. Do you take them off and just wind them up, or do you just deal with the mess when you get out there with cold hands or whatever? Well, he showed me this. It's awesome. Take a piece of aluminum foil. Usually I use about a 12-inch square. Fold it up like so. Maybe fold it up one more time. Get it kind of thick. And then scrunch it up. And then wrap it around. Boom. No snags. You can take this thing on and off 100 times. It stays on there. Your treble hooks don't stick in it. It doesn't dull them because it's aluminum. It's softer than the steel hook. And at the end of the day, it works really well. You can use this thing for several seasons. It's almost free. Keeps everything from snagging your soft bags. Keeps them from tangling up in other lines. So just a little quick tip for you. Put a piece of aluminum foil around your hooks. Squeeze it. Done. So good luck, everyone. Stay safe on the ice. Bye.